Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the KingShot error code 6313. The error reads, Unknown error. As per our research, the error comes when users try to start the game. It appears during the initial loading and prevents the game from launching properly. According to our research, this error may happen due to a temporary issue with the app or a problem from the game's server side. To fix the error, the first thing we suggest is to close the KingShot app completely and then restart it. After that, try loading the game again. If the error still comes, restart your device and then try launching the game once more. If the error still persists, check if there is an update available for KingShot. If there is, install it and see if the issue is resolved. At last, if the error still continues, then the issue is likely on the game's end. We suggest you wait for some time and try again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.